Unit number 2, part 6. I am Dr. Subhash Kachkarati, Department of Commerce and Management, Government First Year College, Raibagh. This slide, SEBI, Stock Exchange Board of India, under the guidelines for issue of shares. See, in India, there are so many companies under working Stock Exchange Board of India and Stock Exchange Board of India under the main guidelines are going on under issue of shares. The first one is all applications should be accompanied to SEBI, Stock Exchange Board of India, in the prescribed form, because when 1956 Companies Act, under their companies when running the business, the shares in equity shareholder and preference shareholder, how they generate their capital under Stock Exchange Board of India. That time they are providing one form to apply application under the accompanied by Stock Exchange Board of India. That is the first guidelines of issue of shares. Second one is application should go through accompanied by true copies of industries. Here, second guidelines of Stock Exchange Board of India is providing accompanied by true copies of industries. In so many listed, unlisted industries are there undertaking to SEBI. Under that, application should be go through true copies, because in 1956 Companies Act giving second guidelines to Stock Exchange Board of India, true copies of industries. Third point, cost of the project should be furnished with schemes of finance. Here, the Stock Exchange Board of India guidelines for the issue of shares given to cost of project. You see, any industry, whatever their project relates to their paid up capital, called up capital, issued capital, under how furnished schemes or financially provided under SEBI, that you go through guidelines of under SEBI of Indian government. Fourth one, company should have the share issued to the public and listed in one or more stock exchange. In India, there are so many companies are there, but when you are issuing shares, the company should be listed under Stock Exchange Board of India. Because of here, the more stocks, how exchange? Because of, you see, Bombay Stock Exchange, Delhi Stock Exchange, and other states, Bangalore Stock Exchange, Madras Stock Exchange, Calcutta Stock Exchange, like different stock exchanges are working under guidelines of the listed. In one or more stock exchange you are enrolled and to go through guidelines of issue of shares. And fifth one, where the shares of equity sale, capital involved, offer for the subscription. When the subscription of issued to share capital, always go through the equity share. When equity shareholders capital involved offer for the subscription, because of they are the owner of the organization, they are the overall the held responsibility, risk happen in organization, they are controlling and maintaining of finance. So that is why the issuing authority of equity shareholder, how involving offer to the public subscription is under the guidelines of issue of shares. Sixth one is an equity preference rate of 3% is allowed, because in 1956 Companies Act and Stock Exchange Board of India is providing rate of interest is 3% only allowed in open market, national market or international market. Your preference shareholder should rate is fixing to, because of they are the only focusing of dividends. So that is why the equity preference rate should be 3% under the guidelines of Stock Exchange Board of India. And seventh one is capital cost of project. Capital cost of project means here, whatever you are under Companies Act having your capital, that depend upon your cost. When your production unit producing how much 8 hours goods, finishing the depend upon your project should be go through a raw material to finished product should take the capital cost of project. That will go under Stock Exchange Board of India under guidelines for the issue of shares. Next is new company cannot issue share at a premium because here the under guidelines of Stock Exchange Board of India is given standing instruction to anybody to issue shares premium. He should enroll their listed company under Companies Act 1956 under the guidelines of Stock Exchange Board of India. Next, all the details of the underwriting agreement, because here the guidelines is given the detail of underwriting agreement. Whenever the demand and supply base, their Stock Exchange of India is providing guidelines through details under agreement is going through Stock Exchange Board of India. And here second slide is giving to Stock Exchange Board of India guidelines for issue of shares and debentures. Issue of shares we discussed earlier slide, but this slide we discuss shares and debentures, what format or what application used to take the issues of shares in the market will go through for this slide. The first point is IPO and primary market. IPO and primary market we go through guidelines for the shares and debentures issues of organization. Primary market in the sense, primary market, secondary market, Tarane wala, Tuntun wala, agent, different persons are gathered and they distributing their shares in the market under shares and debentures to guidelines for IPO, so you control the market. Second one is companies. Under 1956 Companies Act, they go through the listed company will go through issues and shares. Merchant bankers, who is only dealing for service sector of banker to provide merchant banker to give the issues and shares to the debentures to the organization. Underwriter means here who is taking loans from company or banker, money lender or Marwadi. That time you want to take underwriting. That is the guidelines of Stock Exchange Board of India. Stock broker and sub broker. Broker means here Tarani wala, Tuntun wala, agent, how they are providing broker to in between customer and Stock Exchange Board of India. And next point is banker to issue shares and debentures depend upon banking sector will providing these facilities to the guidelines to Stock Exchange Board of India. Registrar to the issue and shares transfer agent. This will happen under only listed companies of undertaking to the 1956 Companies Act. Last one is investor protection and education. Then investors you should protect also and education also providing to industry. Last one is venture capital, who is innovating new company or organization. You should give new guidelines to the Stock Exchange Board of India. Thank you.